Hello, welcome to my channel. This is a video about machine learning. Okay, let's open our project folder machine learning with Visual Studio Code. Okay, let's create a new file. Name it ml005 load model.py. Previously, we trained and saved a KNN model. In this video, we will demonstrate how to load this model and use it to classify a set of new data. Therefore, we will also demonstrate how to randomly create a new data set. Now type in from sklearn.datasets import load iris. Also from sklearn.preprocessing import standard scalar. Now import numpy as MP. Let dt our dataset equal to load iris parentheses. Capital X equal to dt.data. Now create a variable called target names and let it equal to dt.targetNames. Let's print out the target names. And it contains three kinds of iris flower names: Setosa, versicolor, and virginica. Okay, comment out the line that prints target names. And now type in filter equal to standard scalar parentheses dot fit parentheses x. Therefore, the mean calculation will be available in the filter.mean underscore, and the variance will be available in the filter.var underscore. Then we will use the numpy square root function to get the standard deviation from the variance var. Let's print them out and take a look. Okay, this looks good. Now we will create a set of new random sample, a new data set to feed into our model. Let's make the sample size equal to 5 records. Create a random number generator RNG equal to mp.random.defaultRNG. Create a variable random factor to hold our random numbers. Use rng.standardNormals parentheses sample size to create 5 random numbers. Print out the random factor to make sure our code is working. Okay, so far so good. Okay, create a variable named sample and make it equal to none. And we will use this variable to hold our new data set. Now use a for loop to create our new data records. For I in range sample size. The sample size is 5 right now. A new array will be equal to mean plus standard deviation times a random factor, and the random factor is from the position I of the random factor array. Now if I equal to 0, then sample equal to mp.array parentheses square bracket new array. Else sample equal to mp.append parentheses sample comma mp.array parentheses square bracket new array. Now print out the sample and take a look. Oops, all of the data points are merged into one single array. So we need to specify that x is equal to 0. so that each new array will be appended as a record. Okay, that was an easy fix. Now let's load the previously saved model with the joblib.load function. Let's name our model as iris classifier KNN. Therefore, the model will be equal to joblib.load, then the file name, and it is iris classifier knn.joblib. Let's print out a notification, say model loaded, to inform us. And now the new data's sample class equal to iris classifier knn.predict parentheses sample. Let's print out the sample class and layer label name to see how the new dataset have been classified by our model. Now run the program a few times, and each time it will randomly select a set of data to be classified by our model. And again. And again. Okay, that was loading a previously trained model to predict or classify our new data set. If you like this video, please thumb up and subscribe. Thank you.